Hey there, loves. Welcome back to my channel. We finally received our couch. It has been over a month of waiting, but it is finally here. As you guys can see, the workers are building the couch for us. We got a white glove service because we did not want to try to build this thing ourselves. We did measure the space as well as the couch before purchasing it, but when we received it, I gotta say, it is much bigger than we remember. As a matter of fact, it's much bigger than what we measured. So I don't know if we got a bigger size by accident or we just measured wrong. I'm thinking it's number 2, okay? But nonetheless, the couch is here and I am so excited to go ahead and just make our space look so much more different, well put together. Hopefully I can, make it look as luxe as I can, because you guys know on this channel we ball on a budget, okay? Now that the couch is in the space, I'm gonna go ahead and just take everything off the countertops and just make the room look a lot more, I guess, well put together. So I'm gonna take everything off of the coffee table and try to, redesign or recreate a different look. Our coffee table is black with some wooden accents. It has a wooden storage drawer as well as a bottom section where I can add some decor. I don't have anything special for that area as yet, but I am still looking for something for that area. I really want something huge because the space under there is really big. I want something bold, and just really gives a beautiful yet bold statement. So I'm still looking for that special piece. I have not found it as yet. So I'm going to go ahead and add some magazines down there for reading whenever you have company. I'm also going to turn this table sideways, but I have it like this for the video. And then I'm going to add my bowl with the moss back under there. For the top, you guys know I love me some coffee table books, so I'm just going to add a few coffee table books, some vases, and of course some kind of greenery or flower arrangement. I was really trying to go for an all white look, but I didn't have enough white books, so I'm going to go in my storage area and look for some large books, and I'm going to paint those white, okay? If not paint them, I'm going to do my little paper hack and just cover the top so they're white. So I have some more white book options, but I really wanted an all white kind of look with just a pop of greenery, but I think this turned out okay. Next, I'm going to just be adding my citronella candle. This is actually for the outside, so it's going to go outside when it gets a little more warmer. We can sit out there, as well as my DIY matchstick holder and some coasters. You always need coasters for your tables because, honey, don't mess up my tables with no water stains. I wanted to go ahead and add a throw blanket to the couch, but I wanted something a lot more lighter because, everything is so black and gray. That's why I'm trying to use a lot more white in the space now, just to brighten it up or balance everything out. So I went ahead and added my white throw blanket on that, and I'm just going to go ahead and try to rearrange and, you know, make this space look a lot more different or complement our new couch. So I'm going to remove everything from the buffet. I also went inside the buffet and removed all of the old glassware that we no longer want. So we're going to throw those away, because even though they're in good condition, they look ancient. Okay, they look like antique pieces, and not in a good way. So we're gonna go ahead and throw those out, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna clean down this table, and I'm also going to ask my husband to add our tall CD stand to the end of that room, that little corner where I'm standing. We're gonna ask him to add that there. I actually wanted to add shelving to add some decor to it, but I didn't want to crowd the space. So I think for right now, until I can figure out exactly how I want the space to look, that's gonna work. So hubby went ahead and added the tall CD stand. I also have the other smaller one facing the table so you can barely see it, but I'm going to go ahead and add those faux trees or plants back to the top of it, just to give it a pop of greenery. I don't know if I'm going to leave those there because they actually are for outside. I have them in our hanging planters on the patio for when it's warmer. For right now it's cold, and I'm not going to put them out there. It's still cold, it's still rainy, it's still wet. Every now and then we have one day of sunshine, so they're going to stay there until I either put them back on the patio or find something different for the hanging baskets. I'm going to add our plant or our flower arrangement back to the buffet, and then I'm going to add the bar to the center of the buffet table. I feel like it looks nicer there. I actually ordered a lamp to go on the other end, but we never received it. As a matter of fact, they canceled the order. I don't know what was up with that, but we never got it. When we went back to check, it was out of stock, so we weren't able to receive that lamp. So I'm still on the lookout for a lamp, because I do want to add some lighting to the back of the sofa or on that buffet. On the topic of lighting, I want to apologize if the video now seems a lot more shadowy than it was earlier. It's because I'm losing a lot of sunlight, so I had to pull out my ring light to assist me. So I hope it's enjoyable for you guys, but please do bear with me. I'm doing my best to make these videos as clear and enjoyable as I possibly can in this April weather. In place of the lamp for right now, I'm going to go ahead and add a second vase to the buffet, and I actually really like how that look. I wish both vases were the same color, but I actually like how that looks. I went ahead and added these black cushions to the couch just to tie it into the rest of the room. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really, really well, but I want to add another cushion with, I guess, a little more contrast to it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please do give your girl a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not as yet. Also, leave a comment down below. I love chatting it up with you guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. So until then, Auf Wiedersehen.